Alright guys, so I rented this truck. I saw on Ustrip that this person needed a car brought from Virginia back to Connecticut, and no one could do it in the time that they needed. It was a short notice thing. So I was like, hey, I'll do it for you, $1,000.
Hey, it's rented.
But, so this is how you make $1,000 in one day. It is about 11:40 maybe at night. I'm gonna head down to Virginia right now and grab the car and head back up. I'm not bringing the 2-car this time. I have a 1-car trailer also, so I'm gonna be taking that. This is my 1-day trip to Virginia and back. What the f is that?
I don't know, man. Oh no, I don't like the way this is starting. Well, I guess that's how you do it. So as you can see, it is February 10th at 11:25 p.m.
I'm only 1 call away though, baby. But we got the spare.
Is that even?
Dude, that's not even the same.
This is what happens when you try to rent a truck in under 2 hours. You get stuck with someone's project truck that you're using.
Dude, do you see what I'm talking about though? Like, that's not even the same one as this.
I don't know, man. Look, I'm just along for the ride. This is your hot shot deal here,
This
not
is,
mine.
Yeah, I'm already delirious and we didn't even leave. We're not even 3 towns away from where we started.
It's because the exhaust fell off. That was a 1 hour waste of time. The exhaust hanger fell off of this rented truck.
I got 2 bottles and 2 waters. Superman ain't got nothing on me. Oh, on the road here.
Here's the classic bridge shot, New York City. Oh my God, the tint is so dark. It's like ganging the shot. Well, that is Manhattan right there. Oh yeah, there it is, dude. Wow. Oh, Jesus. All right, I'm trying to get a shot here, but the bridge is too shot. Well, there it is, everybody. That is New York City, Manhattan skyline from the George Washington Bridge. Looks really good. Yeah, it's like 2 a.m. or like 1:30 a.m. and we are on the George Washington Bridge.
Yeah, no traffic so far, which is nice.
Well, I mean, every rest stop is full to the brim though with truckers like that ran out of e-log time. So all these guys are big brain. These guys are out at the correct time. You think this is gridlock at like 5 p.m. right where we are right now?
Dude, this is gridlock at 6 a.m.
Rush hour to work and rush hour home.
We are about like 3.5 to 3 hours and 40 minutes away, but we don't have a Wawa in Connecticut. We don't have one near us at all. And I love Wawa, so we're stopping at Wawa.
Check engine light came on, then the check gauges light came on, and then the voltage gauge dropped all the way to 0. I'm thinking we're about to have an alternator failure within the next 10 minutes or less. I have my GPS set to the nearest AutoZone, which it is 5:30 a.m. And this nearest AutoZone doesn't open until 7:30. So it doesn't open for 2 whole hours. As you can see here, we are collecting warning lights, and that is the voltage that you're seeing there that is pegged all the way down at 0. So this is a 24 valve. I don't know how long it's gonna run when the batteries finally die. All right, we found a Walmart that's really close to the AutoZone that opens in 15 minutes. So we're gonna camp the parking lot, and then AJ is gonna buy a voltmeter, and he's gonna check the battery and the alternator and everything himself.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Conestoga Drive.
Wait, is it even recording audio with that on? Or did they
Yeah.
they just heard all that?
I don't know, maybe.
I don't know either. Well, that's the plan, is AJ's gonna buy a voltmeter, and we're gonna see if
They
the
might
gauge
be
is
just-
faulty.
They might just be open.
I mean, it says open at 6. It's 5:45 at the moment.
All right, well, we're at the Walmart. We popped the hood just to make sure that the battery connections feel good, which they do.
The
So-
fact that the lights haven't dimmed or anything yet after this amount of time with the voltage allegedly being 0, I'm hoping the sensor's just broken or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Well, here's what we're working with. There's the alternator right there. Pretty easy to change, worst case scenario. Stuck like 5 hours away from home.
We're just in here mall walking, trying to see what we're gonna use for going around the side of the road.
Well, so AJ's got a dog collar chain, like for your yard, and that's how the exhaust is gonna get held back up. But yeah, the voltage problem might possibly be fixed. We called the owner. He said to unplug the tuner, and then that worked. So these are AJ's gloves, by the way. I'm not cool enough to rock the cat gear and like take it seriously. Is it nice down there? What do you need?
You gotta hold the muffler all the way up.
Dude, it's like bent. Like I'm forcing it in a direction it doesn't want to go. This is...
God, this is way too long.
Just go around it 10 times. Make sure you keep track of the end though for the clip. Is it a clear wrap up and around?
What? Yeah.
I can't really see what you're doing. This is so G-Fab. This is G-Fab like to the extreme. This is also G-Fab, whatever's going on here to hold that on.
Here, bud. Get in the truck, let's go.
All right, so the battery gauge thing, whatever, went to 0 again. AJ is extremely concerned that it is actually a dead alternator. So we drove to an AutoZone that opens in about 45 minutes. And I guess we're gonna camp the AutoZone, and AJ's gonna try to buy an alternator and do the alternator in this parking lot right here. It's gonna be nice and cold for us. AutoZone. As you can see, the sun is starting to come up. Sorta, kinda, not really. Sun probably won't be up for at least another hour or at least 40 minutes, something like that. So yeah, that is a diner right there, and it is open. I might go get breakfast while AJ takes a miniature nap because the AutoZone opens in about 35 minutes or something. So I'm gonna go get breakfast and then bring the leftovers for Carlos.
And I gotta do an alternator.
And then AJ has to do an alternator, yeah. And then maybe we can be on the road by 8:30, 9, hopefully.
Then we got 2.5 more hours of driving there.
Yep. Then we have to load it, and it has no engine.
I gotta push it on the trailer, and then we gotta drive back.
So enjoy that nap. I'm gonna go enjoy a nice, warm breakfast. Yeah, it's freezing out here right now, but apparently it's gonna be 50 degrees or something today. Just not anytime soon. In like 5 hours. Oh my God, what? This is the method. Just kind of climb right up in there.
I gotta go buy a
Half inch?
Yeah, can you go inside and get it?
Sure. What do you want? Just the cheapest half-inch anything?
Yeah.
So AJ just sent me in there to buy this half-inch breaker bar, and AJ's leaving the packaging still on it because he's just gonna return it immediately. As you can see, the packaging is still on it. It's so cold out here, I can't even language. Oh, that Sequoia is sick.
I work on trucks.
I mean, it was kind of quick to get that out.
It's just what I want to do.
Little 7 a.m. alternator job?
Yeah.
On the Chopmans, dude?
Yeah.
Did you drop it into the bay? Blow the shroud out, dude.
I can't wait to get back out on the road again. Is this even the same one? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, alternator in. That wasn't that bad.
AJ did it super fast, like unbelievably quick, but I bet a lot of people are gonna comment on how easy of a location that we got lucky that that's where it was.
Yeah, we definitely got lucky that that's where it was. I mean, I would have done it either way because
We're stranded, literally.
yeah. But I'm definitely glad that it was an easy spot.
And we noticed it at the right time and made the call to get it to an AutoZone before it died on the highway.
Yeah.
That was definitely big brain. IQ 300 at least.
Let's go put the battery back on.
Oh my God. It sounds so good. It was kind of dumping coal when you were doing that. Yeah, you're clouding it out behind us. It's rolling mad coal, dude. I know a lot of people are gonna enjoy this, so we'll just all enjoy this.
Where are we?
We're definitely in Virginia now.
Oh, you think so?
This dude, that rest stop was the Virginia Welcome Center.
Oh. I guess we're in Virginia.
What even is that?
Tank.
Dude, that thing is sick.
Yeah, look at the little headlights on
Look
it.
at that thing on top. There's no you-know-what on it, but very cool.
Yeah,
Very cool.
This truck's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Landstar Ranger, dude.
This dude's killing the game.
All right, so we are in the client's town. We should be there in like 10 minutes. He said it's hard to find, so I gotta call him when I get a little closer. We made it. One alternator later and some chain with a carabiner.
Yep. We'll show that more in the light in a second when we stop here. I want this guy to rev it again. This thing is just bad. It's all bad. Oh, is that a Mazda Speed?
Is it?
Dude, it might be. I think I see a stock intercooler. Cool.
That move from right here. All right, well, it is on the trailer. We are taking off back home.
Like 7 hours, something like that. Let's just have a little chat about, in the last video we made, we got a little bit called out. Oh, you can't really make that much money doing hot shot, blah, blah, blah. But you have to be the guys that will take weird loads at weird times, at weird hours, and do weird things to get trucks. You making money, dude. You're making decent money doing this.
Is that taco lowered?
I think it's just two-wheel drive.
Oh. Well, we're here getting diesel because this is a truck and I want taquitos.
Yeah, that thing is sick. Well, we accidentally destroyed the rental truck. Destroyed it.
Dude, that's not my fault. He's gonna be like, this is all your fault.
He's gonna blame all of it on you.
He can't, it's coming back with a brand new alternator. Going over the Tappan Zee Bridge because the George Washington costs too much. Gotta save money. This is how you save money. Yes, sir. Made it back in two pieces. You got the muffler in the bed and the truck running. So as you guys can see, it is 8:19. The truck is right there. Oh, that's not the truck. That's the car. Truck's over there. This is my shop. It's kind of dark, but yeah, there's the Damien's 240, you know, all that stuff. It's dark in here. Here's the toilet, whatever. But yeah, we made it back in 24 hours, and I'll conclude this bullshit in the morning because I'm going home to go to bed. All right, so I got $1,000 for doing what I did, getting the car, bringing it back to him. He gave me $440 for doing the alternator, and I paid for the alternator, so that's like, the alternator was $140. He gave me $440 for doing the alternator and with the exhaust and all the shit that I had to deal with. He gave me $1,000 for bringing the car back, going to get it, bringing it back, all that stuff. So technically, we won't really count the $440 because that's like
We've got a hoopty truck. Yeah, that's.
I just got paid for doing an alternator pretty much. But the $1,000 made that in less than 24 hours. We left midnight and we got back at like, I think it was, I dropped the truck off at my shop at 8:30, I believe it was.
So what's that?
It's like
20 hours.
Yeah, around 20 hours.
You made $1,000 in 20 hours with a pickup truck.
Easy work. You just don't sleep. You have fun. You go with your boys, dude. You get delirious. It's nice. It's fun. So if you have a pickup truck, you guys could be making $1,000. Like,
yeah, there's no excuses. No excuses.
Pickup truck. Get a U-Haul rental trailer for $50 a day.
Yeah, we already proved that it is profitable to rent a truck if you don't have one. You can rent a truck and make money.
He also paid for the gas too, so I didn't even have to pay for gas this time. There's $1,000 easy right there, boys. So if you guys like this video, you like seeing weird ways to make money, whatever, go ahead and subscribe. I might do some more stuff like this here and there, but I like to keep it, you know, maybe once a month type thing, doing random shit like this. But hey, once a month making $1,000 for a day, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Check everything out in the description. Peace.